Hello students, today I am taking lecture on the subject Advanced Accounting 5th semester for BCom third year students who are learning from Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded. I am taking second topic of this subject, Hotel Accounting. In this topic, I am taking third question. I am Dr. V.D. Jadhav, Assistant Professor, PG Faculty of Commerce and Management, People's College, Nanded. Already I have written this question. Question number third. This question has asked in the examination October-November 2019. The question is, the following are the balances of Parivar Hotel on 31st December 2018. In that question has given trial balance. In that trial balance, two column, particular, rupees. The first item, authorized and issued capital of rupees 6,40,000. This is the item of liability side. Hence, it goes to the balance sheet liability side. Land and building 4 lakh. This is an asset. Machinery rupees 2 lakh. This is an also asset. Furniture of rupees 4 lakh. This is an also asset. Glass and plate rupees 8,000. This is an also asset. Linen rupees 4,000. This is an also asset. Cutlery and plate. This one is also asset. Rate, taxes and insurance. Amount rupees 10,000. It goes to the profit and loss account debit side. Salary rupees 32,000 goes to the profit and loss account debit side. Insurance goes to the profit and loss account debit side. Amount rupees 2,000. Wages amount rupees 48,000. Wages 48,000. Cash at bank 12,800. This is an asset. Cash in hand also asset. Amount rupees 8,000. Stock on 1st January 2018. 1st January indicates this is an opening stock. Under the heading of opening stock, items are given: wine rupees 8,000, spirits rupees 4,000, beer rupees 8,000, minerals rupees 4,000, cigar rupees 1,600, sundry provision and stores rupees 8,000, coal 2,400. Next heading, purchases. Opening stock goes to the profit and loss account debit side under the heading of to material used. The next heading, purchases. Under the heading of purchases, meat 12,000, fish and pig 12,000, poultry 4,000, sundry provision 24,000, wine 12,000, spirits 10,000, beer 6,000, minerals 4,800, cigar 2,400, coal and gas 9,600. Purchases goes to the profit and loss account debit side. Which items already has given, add in that purchases, remaining are taken as a purchases separately. The next item, laundry expenses 4,800. Laundry expenses goes to the profit and loss account debit side. Audit fees 1,600 goes to the profit and loss account debit side. Lighting 4,800 goes to the profit and loss account debit side. General expenses 7,200 goes to the profit and loss account debit side. Next, sales. Under the heading of sales, wine rupees 16,000, spirits rupees 10,000, beer rupees 12,000, mineral rupees 8,000, cigar rupees 2,800. Sales goes to the profit and loss account credit side. Next, charges in bracket income oblique receipts. Under the heading of charges, meal 1,52,000, rooms 60,000, room freshener and other 4,000, washing charges 1,200, charges or income or receipts goes to the profit and loss account credit side. The next item, depreciation. Under the heading of depreciation, premises 1,600, furniture 2,400, glass 3,200, linen 1,600, cutlery and plate 1,200. These items goes to the profit and loss account debit side because of under the heading of depreciation. Next, visitors account 24,000. Visitors account is a or debtors, hence it goes to the balance sheet asset side. Sundry creditors 48,000. Creditors goes to the balance sheet liability side. In that question, adjustment also given. First adjustment, closing stock. Under the heading of closing stock, wine 4,000, spirits 4,000, beer 2,000, mineral 800, cigar 1,200, sundry provision and stores 4,000, coal 1,600. What is the effect of closing stock? The effect of the closing stock is, first effect goes to the asset side. Second effect, profit and loss account debit side. Opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. Then second adjustment, outstanding wages rupees 4,000 and outstanding salary rupees 3,000. What are the effects of this adjustment? Adding concern item to the profit and loss account debit side, wages and salary, and second effect, outstanding profit balance sheet liability side 4,000 and 3,000 wages and salary respectively. Adjustment number third, prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance rupees 500. What is the effect? The effect of this adjustment is less from insurance to the profit and loss account debit side, and second effect, balance sheet asset side, wages, outstanding salary and insurance. These are the affected item of this trial balance. Hence, we can create some mark here to understand when we solve the answer. We will solving answer, salary, insurance and wages. I am creating underline here because of adjustment on these items. Okay. Now I am taking solution of this question. In the books of Hotel Parivar, Parivar Hotel, profit and loss account, for the year ended 31st December 2018, debit side, particular inner column rupees, outer second inner column rupees, third inner column rupees, and fifth outer column rupees. Next, particular rupees, our side, credit side. I am increasing width of particular column. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2018. Liabilities, rupees, assets, rupees. I am increasing width of column, liabilities as well as assets. First item of the question, authorized and issued capital. Capital goes to the balance sheet liability side. Increasing amount width, amount column width. The next item, land and building is an asset, machinery is an asset, furniture is an asset, glass and plate is an asset, linen is an asset, and cutlery and plate is an also asset. Hence, all these items goes to the balance sheet asset side. The next, rate, taxes, and insurance 10,000 goes to the profit and loss account debit side. Salary goes to the profit and loss account debit side. Insurance goes to the profit and loss account debit side. Wages goes to the profit and loss account debit side. Starting with opening stock, hence I am some part creating here. Then taking rate and taxes to rate and taxes, and insurance, amount rupees 10,000, outer column, because of there is no adjustment on this item. Next item, salary account debited to the profit and loss account debit side, to salary of this item, adjustment 32,000. Yes, I am taking inner column 32,000. Then insurance also debited to the profit and loss account. Wages also debited to the profit and loss account. Insurance amount rupees 2,000, adjustment on this item, hence inner column. Wages amount rupees 48,000, debited to the profit and loss account, inner column, because of adjustment of this also item to insurance. To wages, adjustment on wages also. Cash at bank and cash at bank and cash in hand, both items of the assets, hence taking asset side. Cash at bank 12,800, cash in hand 8,000, asset side, balance sheet asset side. The next item, stock on 1st January 2018. It means this is the opening stock. This takes under the heading of 2, material used, under the heading of this material used. What is the formula of material used? Opening stock plus purchases plus minus closing stock. Hence I am taking this wine, spirits, beer, mineral, cigar, sundry provision and stores, and coal, inner column, under the heading of material used. We can indicate this column opening stock, this column purchases, and this column closing stock. This is for only under the heading of material used, or the rest is only inner column, outer column. Rate, taxes and insurance. This is the last column, but by mistake I have taken in inner column, hence I am moving these items. Next column. Okay, now is okay. Opening stock is over. Then purchases. Meat is not given under the heading of stock, hence we should record it separately. 2, purchases of meat, outer column, amount rupees 12,000. The next, for 2, purchases of fish and pig, because of this item also not given in opening stock, same amount 12,000. Then next, poultry is also not given, is recorded to the profit and loss account debit side. 2. Purchases of poultry, amount rupees 4,000, outer column. Then sundry provision 24,000 rupees given. We can add this item under the provision of rupees 24,000. The next, wine rupees 12,000, add in that opening wine rupees 8,000. The next, spirits 10,000, add to the old spirits 4,000. The next, beer rupees 6,000, add in old opening beer. Then mineral 4,800, add in old mineral, that is opening. Then cigar rupees 2,400, add in old cigar. Not copy. And copy once again. 2,400. Then coal and gas 9,600, add in old amount of coal 2,400 plus 9,600. Opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock, then final amount should be outer column. Okay. Purchases, all items I have taken. Then laundry expenses recorded to the profit and loss account debit side. 2. Laundry expenses, amount rupees 4,800. Two, next, audit fees recorded to the profit and loss account debit side. 2. Outer column, amount rupees 1,600. The next, lighting rupees 4,800, recorded to the profit and loss account debit side. Outer column. Then general expenses recorded to the profit and loss account debit side, amount rupees 7,200, outer column. Before lighting, add 2. Before general expenses also same 2. The next, sales recorded to the profit and loss account credit side. Under the heading of sales, wine rupees 16,000, spirits rupees 10,000, beer rupees 12,000, mineral rupees 8,000, cigar rupees 2,800. Then next item, charges or income or receipts recorded to the profit and loss account credit side. Increasing column width of amount, increasing column width of particular by charges or income or receipts. Under the heading of charges, receipts, meal 1,52,000, rooms 60,000, room freshener and other 4,000, washing charges 1,200. The next item, depreciation records to the profit and loss account debit side. to depreciation. Under the heading of depreciation, premises, furniture, glass, linen, and cutlery and plates. All items should be taken outer column. Then next, visitor account. Visitor account is an our asset. Visitor account amount rupees 24,000. Record to the balance sheet asset side. Then next, creditor, sundry creditor. Creditor is the item of balance sheet liability side. Sundry creditor 48,000. I think trial balance is over. Yes. Then adjustment number 1, closing stock. Closing stock first effect goes to the balance sheet asset side. Under the heading of closing stock, wine rupees 4,000, spirits rupees 4,000, beer rupees 2,000, mineral rupees 800, cigar rupees 1,200, sundry provision and stores rupees 4,000, coal rupees 1,600. Second effect, less from given concerned item to the profit and loss account debit side. Yes, I am checking. Yes, wine rupees 4,000, less from old wine. The next item, spirit, beer, mineral. Sequence checking and the yes, sequence is also okay. Yes, I am taking all items in bulkly. Yes, wine opening stock 8,000 plus 12,000 minus 4,000. Final amount rupees 16,000. Spirits 4,000 plus 10,000 minus 4,000 amount rupees. Final amount rupees 10,000. Then 8,000 opening stock plus purchases 6,000 minus 2,000. 12,000 amount finally. Mineral 4,000 plus 4,800 minus 800. Final 8,000. Cigar 1,600 plus 2,400 minus 1,200. The final amount rupees 2,800. Sundry provision 8,000 plus 24,000 minus 4,000. Final amount 28,000. Coal 2,400 plus 9,600 minus 1,600. Final amount of total 10,400. Yes, this is the effect of closing stock. Then second adjustment, outstanding wages rupees 4,000 and outstanding salary rupees 3,000. Effect of this, add in concern item to the profit and loss account debit side. Outstanding wages, add outstanding wages 4,000 total outer column 48,000, sorry 52,000. Then outstanding salary, add outstanding salary rupees 3,000, outer column 35,000. Second effect, balance sheet liability side, under the heading of outstanding, wages, salary 4,000 and 3,000. Adjustment number third, prepaid insurance of rupees 500. Yes. What is the effect? Less from insurance. Prepaid insurance 500, outer column 1,500. Second effect, balance sheet asset side before closing stock. $500. I think all adjustment completed. However, then make total of credit side profit and loss account. Total is 2,66,000. Then make total of debit side outer column. Creating more width of column. 2,66,000 is more than debit side, hence 2,66,000 minus 2,42,000. I am creating this total 2,66,000 minus 2,42,100. The difference is 23,900. I am taking here. Now both sides are equal, debit side as well as credit side. This is net profit to net profit carried down. Transfer to the net profit, transfer to the profit and loss, sorry, balance sheet liability side after capital. $23,900. Then create total balance sheet liability side. Then create total of asset. Both sides are equal. 7,18,900, 7,18,900, 7,18,900. It means our solution is correct. This is the net profit. I hope you have understood this problem with solution. This is our question. This is our profit and loss account, and this is our balance sheet. Okay, thank you.